All right, what do we have in here? There's the seats, some of this stuff. And this. Oh. All right. So guys, I'm here today to be doing an unboxing of a Sling, an everyday carry Sling that is 50% off, or was 50% off from the normal $100 price point. And I really needed something that can hold this, because I'm going to be doing some content creation for people, which I'm really excited about, and making some content and filming and editing and all that good stuff. Something for this, for when I go out and travel throughout the summer to different parks and different, natural, beautiful areas to make music that's not just inside the house. And then for this, which is my DJI Pocket 2, here's the little tripod here, for the same reason of content creation out and about when I'm not carrying like a big camera around. This thing is really incredible to just be able to sit somewhere on the mini tripod and film myself, record myself making music and doing other cool things. So I'm hopeful that this everyday carry will sort of handle all of those things and maybe carry all of those things, and let's kind of find out together. So I like the packaging, right? It says Everyday Sling 5L by Peak Design is the name of the company that makes this, and Sage is the color. And let's go ahead and see what we got here. Yeah. All right. Okay, I probably could be doing this a little bit better, but you know what? I'm excited. So let's get it open. All right, love the color. Let's get this thing opened up. Ziploc bag. Yeah, this is a nice size. I can already tell. This is kind of the size that I was hoping for. Let's get these things. When I was a kid, my parents told me that these were poison. I remember that was a thing. These are like these little bead things that I guess are to keep moisture out, right? I think that's what these are. But my parents always said that they were poison. Anti-mold chip. Cool. Okay. So I just was always, cognizant of that. All right, so let's see. We got the Everyday Sling. All right. I've never owned a Sling before, so what am I supposed to do? Like, I guess there's a way to loosen this so that I can go around, or let me see. Yeah, let's see. Oh, that's pretty cool, like around the back like that. So I probably need to like loosen this up a little bit or something. So this says bag for camera, drone, and essential carry. Okay. For cameras, drones, and so much more. So ride the bike around the back. You got your camera in there. Someone put this into another bag. Okay, cool. And then what else do we have here? We have different spots or different things like sunglasses, a mini tablet, micro USB, cables, batteries, keys. Cool. Built-in stretch pockets, internal organization, quick access for front pocket. So you probably put your phone in the front. Some great marketing here, guys. I really like the marketing a lot. I'm a big fan of the marketing right here because I feel good about this. Like, I feel excited. Mirrorless drones and DSLRs. This can carry. Driver, cubby, shelf. I don't know what that means. Flex fold configurations. I guess you can, I don't know what that means. Locking zipper pull out. Okay, and then there's like a little strap. All right, so let's explore this a little bit. And yeah, great. This is great. This is actually really helpful here, just seeing what this is all about. All right, so now what do? I don't really know. I guess I should, is there like instructions in here or something? Let's see. Let's just open this up. Okay, we got some stuff in here to keep it from flattening up. Let's take these out. Let's take these out. I don't know how exciting this is for you guys. I mean, you're over here watching a YouTube video of a person opening up a bag. And I appreciate it, of course, but I'm also like, is this exciting just watching me open this? I mean, I don't know. Online resources, customer service, don't care. Strap sling, lock it in place. What is this? Okay. So this seems very technical. I need to figure out like how do I use this? Okay, so here's another zipper underneath here. This is for something. I like the color of this a lot. Huge fan of the color. Huge fan of the color. It's not gray, it's like a grayish greenish, and I'm all for it. I'm all for it. Now if I can only figure out, so you can hold it this way, which is nice. I just need to figure out like how do I wear this as a, okay, so maybe, what is this? Is this like some instructions here or something? How do I wear this as a sling is what I need to know. I don't know. I don't quite know. Is this a button here? I don't know. I'm not sure, guys. I'm not doing a great job demoing this out for you at all right now. But let me see about, oh, so you can probably take these out, I guess. Is that what these, oh. So you can like take these things out. If I wanted to like have this camera in here. Let's close this up. Let's see. Have this camera in here. Oops. Okay. Let's be a little careful. This is expensive merchandise here. So does this? No, I don't know how that. Let's just take maybe both of these out. I don't know what to do right now. I'm a little confused, not gonna lie. So let's see. OPZ. How's OPZ gonna fit in here? OPZ, maybe both of these things come out to start with. Maybe we don't need those things in here. Maybe the OPZ goes on the bottom. And yeah, it fits pretty snug, I guess. Maybe this goes in on top. I mean, yeah, I guess so, right? And then this, I mean, is this fine just to keep these things all loose like this? I don't know. I might want to, well, this is fine, I guess. Like that. And then this in the front. A little tripod in front. And then zip it up. Okay, that's all. All right, so got my camera, got my OPZ, and got my something else. See, I'm not gonna be carrying the camera around every day though, but that's fine. And yeah, okay, so that's good. Now, how do I put this on as a sling is the question. There has to be a way to loosen this or something. I'm not, okay, so I think it's this part here. And I think we just, yeah, pull this to make it longer. So I think this part here just pulls to make it longer. I don't know like why this is on here so securely, but I think it's just here to tell you how to loosen it and how to tighten it. Oh wait, here we go. Here we go, here we go. Okay, here's a sling. And over here too. Okay, here we go. Look at that. The straps. This is how you make it looser, the whole thing. By pushing these out, I guess, and pulling this through. That's how you turn this into like a actual sling. And maybe do it on both sides to about there. And now, putting this on, maybe even a little bit more. All right, we're getting there. We're getting there. Like that, like this. You know what? Not gonna lie, I love it. I know that's pretty, like, how do I know if I love it already? Well, I just do. Strap locking it in place. This locks something in place. Okay, yeah, fantastic. Definitely a great everyday carry. Nice size, not too big, not too small. Fits all my stuff in there. I can put my phone in there, which I'm using right now to record this, so I won't put it in just yet, but I'll just have to figure out like a really nice way to put everything else in here. All right, so I love the bag, and yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If this is your first time on my channel, my name is Khordmaster. I'm all about music production, unboxing videos, technology, iOS production, all kind of great stuff. I have a 64 episodes so far in running show where I interview a lot of amazing guests. It's called KAL Experience. You can find that playlist on my channel as well. And just thank you so much for tuning in, and hope you're having an awesome day today, and I'll see you guys on the next one. All right. Oh, and all that good stuff, like subscribe to the channel to support, and you know the deal. Catch y'all later. Take care.